Yeah. This one's for every fighter. The battles nobody sees, not just the ones inside the ring, but the ones we face every single day. Hollow sky music. Yeah. Oh, 2019, life was weighing on my soul. Family on my shoulders, trying not to lose control. Bills on the table, every dollar stretched thin. Still I heard a voice saying, step into the ring. Working every day like training every night. Fighting all my demons long before the first fight. Truth is I only had 2 weeks to prepare. Deep inside I knew I wasn't fully there. I wasn't at my strongest, wasn't in my best shape. But sometimes faith is bigger than the risk you take. This wasn't just about winning another fight. I wanted to test my heart when everything wasn't right. Could I stand when fear was looking in my face? Could I keep my faith when life picked up the pace? Looking in the mirror, doubt staring back at me, but courage whispered softly, be the man you're meant to be. I can knock you down before the first bell rings. Every heavyweight battle isn't seen. Sometimes the hardest fight you'll ever know is learning how to keep moving forward. I'm a crusader, I stand back up again. Every scar I carry made me stronger in the end. Knocked down, never broken, that's the path I choose. You only lose forever when you've got nothing left to prove. Oh, this is our story, this is our fight. Keep your head held high, keep walking toward the light. Yeah, bell rang loud, now it's face to face. Young and hungry, standing with fire in his pace. I respected every punch, every second, every round. I knew this wasn't easy from the very first sound. Round 1, still standing. Round 2, still believing. Round 3 came hard, everything was changing. One clean shot, I hit the canvas. Silence filled my mind while the world stood still. Sometimes life will humble even the strongest will. The referee counted, the crowd faded away, but that wasn't the end of what I had to say. Because a loss doesn't decide who you become, it's what you do when the fight is done. Champions aren't measured by undefeated nights, they're measured by how they answer life's hardest fight. One of my closest friends was standing in my corner. He reached down and lifted more than just my shoulder. He said, keep your head up, brother, don't lose your flame. One fight doesn't define your name. Those words stayed with me long after that day. Long after the bruises slowly faded away, I went back to work with the same heavy load. Still fighting battles nobody ever knows. Money problems, trying to survive, clocking in each day just to keep hope alive. Some days I hated walking through that door, but quitting wasn't written in my soul anymore. Lord, every fall can lift you, every tear can heal, every broken moment can become what's real. Oh, every setback teaches, every scar can shine. God can build a future, one step at a time. I'm a crusader, I stand back up again. Every scar I carry made me stronger in the end. This is more than boxing, this is how I live. When hope is all you're holding, you've still got more to give. Still fighting battles, still chasing dreams, still believing tomorrow can be better than today. Yeah, this isn't just my fight, this is our fight. So stand back up, take one more step. Your greatest victory may still be ahead. To everyone carrying invisible battles, to every worker, every parent, every dreamer, every person who's been knocked down, keep your faith, keep your heart, keep moving forward. Because the strongest warriors are the ones who refuse to quit. Hollow sky music. Yeah. Hollow sky music.